Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got the option reset up preferences, so let's tap. So here we've got the information what it will be actually reset, so among others disabled apps, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.